Live. Watch the gap up. We are live right here. Gap up. We are live. Gap up and live. Let's see if it's going to fall. We still are moving on up still. Still moving on up. Stock could still get halted. Stock is still moving on up. And we are still moving and we're still climbing. Oh my goodness, guys. Guys, don't look at me. I'm embarrassed. Team. Oh, we're still alive. Oh, it came back to life. Oh, it came back to life. Oh, it came back to life with a dump. I have 9,000 shares on the short. We are live. We're live. Open up randomly. We are live. We are live right now. We are live with the gap down. We are live with the gap down. I'm currently again moving down. I'm down 4 grand. Now again, I'm working my way back down to the green. I'm starting to get back green on the day. Let's see if we can get halted again on the downside. Can we get halted again on the downside? I'm currently in on this play right now. I'm still watching it. It could get a few bounces, but honestly, team, I don't even want to look. I don't want to look. Guys, I'm walking away. I don't even want to look. I'll come back in 10 minutes. Is when this one opens on up on NURO, we start taking some profits. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. NURO, NURO. Lock out, lock out, lock out, lock out, lock out. NURO holding a little bit to see if it keeps on crashing. NURO, lock out. NURO, 2,000 shares left. Holding the last little bit right here. Holding last little bit right here. Lock out, lock out. Ah! 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 This is my digital world. My world. Don't you dare come in here. This is my digital stock market. This is my world.